Hi guys, this is Gary out here in greenhouse number 1. Just doing some cleaning up of the greenhouse. I'm gonna have to clean all these tubes. They just got algae all over them. If you look inside the tubes, you can see all the algae. In the gutter where the water returns, you also see that they're just overcome with algae. How you doing, guys? As you can see, I'm starting to clean the troughs, and you see I've already used the pressure washer, and it's not really doing that great of a job. So we're gonna have to change the arrangements. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use some Dawn and some bleach and a scrubber, and now I get to hand scrub these. So I'll bring you back after I scrub. Alright guys, as you see, the gutters in house number 1 is clean. However, that's what they look like. What I did is I had some new ones. I in no way could get these clean. I don't know what I'm going to do to get them clean, but if I can get them clean, I will, and I'll let you know. But I do have the gutter system back up, so it's ready to start working. All I got to do now is clean out the tubes. Thanks. Have a wonderful day, and I'll catch you the next one. Bye. You could do me a great favor, and that great favor would be to like, subscribe, and share my videos, because that's the only way YouTube knows what kind of a job I'm doing. So it would be wonderful if you could do that. Thank you. Catch you on the next video. Bye-bye. I figured I would show you a picture of the baby lettuce in the wet table, or the nursery as it's called. Enjoy your day.